So how to download pictures on Pinterest mobile app. Let's go. Open the app. Choose the picture you would like to download. So I don't know, I like this one or this one better. Okay, click on it and click save. Now go back. Go here, click on your profile picture. And you will see this picture right here, okay? Click on these three dots. Click download image. And that's it. You will see this image downloaded. You can also share it or save it, but we don't need to do it anymore. So if you go to your gallery, you will see this picture right here. And that's it. This is how can you download picture on Pinterest in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel so I can do more videos like this in the future. And have a nice day. Goodbye.